Hello, good day to all MMM Community Philippines participants. I am Dionisio C. Pondok of Batac City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am an active and proud member of MMM Community Philippines, and I am very glad in sharing to you all Mabrovians my happiness that last December 6, 2015, I provided help amounting to 9,800 pesos for the MMM B4 plus 14%, 120 hours %. And on December 12, 2015, I have requested assistance of getting help in the amount of 11,100. In less than a day, MMM pays me the said assistance I have been requesting. I received my whole get help given by another participant named Baisa. Thank you very much, fellow participant in this very unique community of helping people to uplift and attaining better life. I am very thankful also to Sir G. Mabrovi for the opportunity of sharing the MMM per financial system to the Filipino people. Mabuhay ang MMM Community Philippines.